Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Xbox network settings and NAT type, complete guide step by step clearly. Start your Xbox console and navigate to the home screen. Press the guide button on your controller. Select the Profile and System tab. Choose Settings from the menu. Scroll down to General and select it. Select Network Settings. Here, you will see your current network status. Check your NAT type displayed on this screen. If your NAT type shows open, your settings are optimal. A moderate NAT type may limit some online functionalities. If it shows strict, you may encounter significant restrictions. To improve your NAT type, go to Test Network Speed and Statistics. Select it to check your current network speed and connection quality. Return to the Network Settings menu. Select Advanced Settings. Here, you will find options for IP settings and DNS settings. Choose Alternate MAC address to see if a reset is needed. If required, select Clear to reset the MAC address. Next, go back to the Advanced Settings and select Port Forwarding. Follow the instructions to open ports for Xbox Live services. After adjusting settings, it's important to restart your console. Return to Network Settings to test your NAT type again. Check if your NAT type has changed to Open. If problems persist, consult your internet service provider for help. This guide should help you verify and improve your Xbox network settings and NAT type. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.